Nestled within the Mevlana community, this architecturally designed family home was built by the current owner in concert with a master boat builder. Comprising of 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and set on 2.5 acres of residential farmland. Let's go take a look. Spanning 400 acres of hinterland, the Mevlana community offers livestock facilities, agricultural resources and a dedicated solar farm tailored for those who embrace eco-friendly living. The multi-level floor plan with separate wings provides a harmonious blend of comfort and functionality, catering to all family dynamics, guest accommodation and rental opportunities. Featuring generous sized bedrooms, high rake ceilings with hardwood finishings and curved timber craftsmanship, every corner tells a story of thoughtful design. Enjoy your own private nature walk with fruit trees, summer days in the pool surrounded by lush landscaped gardens and alfresco dining or entertaining. This unique property holds an incredible lifestyle opportunity to secure your own piece of paradise within a sustainable community, all whilst being just a short drive from Mullumbimby's town centre and Byron Bay's beautiful beaches. We look forward to meeting you at one of our upcoming opens.